So then what happened? Okay, I finished my thesis I was in La Jolla, UCSD. Also, I worked with a guy from UCR, although I did all my graduate work at UCSD in La Jolla. I became an assistant professor. I was about 27 at San Diego State. Okay, and then the strangeness happens again, and it turns out it was a CIA thing. Oh, yeah, I should mention this: that when Kennedy was assassinated, I was at Ford Philco Aeronautics, and the way everything was. And at that point, then I volunteered to go into the CIA. And I was interviewed. They had me go up to Westwood, and I spent several hours at a room with all the tape recorders going, and and I never heard from them after that. I mean, I had security clearance working at Ford Philco, and but then so now it's 19. When was it? 19. Okay. Well, first of all, about 1966, I was contacted by the British. And I spent a couple of summers at Her Majesty's United Kingdom Atomic Energy Authority at Harwell, Didcot Harwell, near Oxford. And at that point, I met. I used to go down to Imperial College, met Abdus Salam, and the people, the Higgs, the Higgs. I met Goldstone, and I think it was Higgs. I met all these people, into spontaneous symmetry breaking around 1966, and then in 1971, what was it, 1971, then I went to Birkbeck and did postdoc work at Birkbeck College with David Bohm. Although at that time, Bohm was not into his hidden variable theory. He had sort of forgotten about it. In fact, the guy, Basil Hiley, who was his assistant, said he didn't even know, when we were together, he didn't even know about the hidden variable theory that he did with Einstein in '52. He didn't even know that. Bohm was so